Welcome back to our channel again. Today in this very important video, we're going to understand demand and supply concept. So let's get started. Basically, demand and supply is the zone where the support and resistance are actually in. So if you are aware about how to plot support zone, how to plot resistance zone, you are 50% ahead to understand the concept of demand and supply. Basically, understand it in a practical business life scenario where if the demand is high and if the supply is low. Demand mean how much I let's say if you are a shopkeeper, I go to you and I demand something from you. Let's say I demand 1,000 अंडे. 1,000 मुझको अंडे चाहिए अभी. That is my demand. It matters that 1,000 अंडे आपके पास है या नहीं. Is this available to you right now or not? If it is not, then you can't supply my demand. That is when the prices actually rises, right? So if you doesn't understand in that way, I will put in a very easy way, ongoing the video. So first of all, you have to plot the proper support and resistance in the market. So basically after plotting it, I will explain you. Let me plot that. So if you doesn't know that how to plot support and resistance, you can also learn from here. So you have to just select the rectangle portion. So basically support and resistance is not a particular line where you can just came here and plot a perfect line here. That will not actually working in the market, because support and resistance is not a particular line. It is a zone where the smart money concept are mostly active, right? So select the rectangle positions, and let's say this is a strong support positions for Bitcoin, and I will just simply create it as a support zone from here, right? And also for the shorter run, I will see that this is the positions where price is taking a small support positions, and this is also become my support zone, right? So support zone we can equivalent as a demand zone. When the demand is actually rising, the price came into the support zone and going upward. Let's take an example of what I am previously trying to give you. I go to you, you're a shopkeeper, I demand to you, I need a 1,000 egg right now. So if you have a 1,000 egg in your shop, you will give me. So basically there is a balance between the demand and supply. If you have it, I will buy it. There is no as such any price rising or as such anything out of the box will happen if you have the supply which I am demanding to you. But let's assume that you don't have 1,000 egg right now into your shop. Then what I will do, I create a demand to you, but you can't supply it. Understand it? I create a demand to you, you can't supply it. Let's dive into the trading perspective here. I want to, let's say this is a demand zone. I want to buy something. I want to buy Bitcoin, let's say 1,000 lot right now. If I want to buy 1,000 lot, then I need 1,000 seller also, 1,000 lot seller also. If there is no 1,000 lot seller, my order will not be executed, right? This is trading is a zero sum game. If somebody is winning, then somebody is losing, right? I am a big money. I want to make it happen that the Bitcoin that from here that the Bitcoin is rising, right? How I can do that? I can create more demand into the zone, and if I want to buy from here, then that's my demand. If if there is a proper seller, proper 1000 lot seller is available in the market, then it is perfectly fine. My order got instantly executed. There is no as such big moment will happening, because understand, because I have demand, you have a supply. There is no imbalance is happening. Imbalance is happen when I have created demand to you but you don't have the supply. That is when the price is shooting up, right? So also this is a big deal when somebody is selling a 1000 lot or somebody is buying 1000 lot. There will be a high volume, there will be a high uncertainty in the market in that particular point of time. But my point is that if I create a demand to you, then if you can't supply it, that is when the price is shooting up, and the vice versa is exactly happening, right? So let's say that I think that the Bitcoin will move downward from here, right? So Bitcoin will break the resistance level, then take a support from here and moving in the next support zone, and this is also be breaked by Bitcoin. That is my analysis, right? What I will do, let's say I'm a smart money, I'm a big player, I'm a big fish, I have thousands of crore. Basically, I want to sell from here. Let's say again 1000 lot I want to sell. If I want to sell 1000 lot, then I will again need 1000 buyer, 1000 lot of buyer. If the 1000 lot of buyer is available in the market, then there will be a certain movement in the market. There will be a high volume to trade execution frequency, but that will become a balance mode after a point of time, right? Because we have a sufficient supply, we have a sufficient demand and demand, right? But let's say if I want to sell 1000 raw lot right here, but there is no as such buyer, then the price will be falling because I have created a demand to you. I have created a demand to you, but I have created a supply first because I want to sell. Because as a shopkeeper, I want to sell. And as a shopkeeper, if I will buy the thing in a lower price, then that will be my profit. So that is actually the demand and supply is actually the game is happen, right? So, and also if you want to read the definitions of it, you can pause the video here, and whatever I am exactly trying to tell you, this is what written here. You can pause the video if you want to read. And thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you in the next video. Bye.